Hey everyone! Today I'll be unboxing some packages. Let's open up the big box first and see what's inside. I've got blind boxes from Mart and other toys. I'm not sure whether the box inside is a figurine or plushie. It looks like we have two blind boxes here. I'm gonna open this box first. Here's a cute art of a girl in front of the box, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna get, but here are the ones we're gonna get. There are 12 of them. Alright, let's see who we have. I've been using my scissors to cut open the package. The first item I got is a girl named Molly riding a Vespa. I got the Going to Roma figure. This is her Vespa. I think the figure is very cute because the figure looks detailed and the Vespa has wheels so that it can move. I'll be opening this box too. This one has 12 figurines to collect, and this box shows us the WB 100 anniversary. This box shows us the artwork of the characters from the company and various shows. Let's open and see what we get. I'm going to use my scissors to cut open the packaging again. Alright, I got a white-haired figurine of a character from a movie called Ready Player One. I'm not sure what's the movie about, but I did a research online and just realized it. I also looked at the back of the box too. Opening the blind boxes from Mart. Here are the cards. box 2. And there's a Sonic toy, which is a fictional blue hedgehog. Now let's open the golden box. Oh look, I have Lego Mario.